He was representing everyone. He was representing us. He wrote an opinion yesterday. And that opinion settled matters as far as the legitimacy of Sunday's election is concerned. But if people want to go to court, it is their right to go to court. As a lawyer myself, I can't stop people from going to court. But they can go to court and so on. And I am very sure that the court challenge won't succeed. Some people were talking about quorum. They were saying that the Congress did not form a quorum because they were basing it on the number of votes. That is not the correct way of determining quorum, because some of the delegates did not vote, either because they were disqualified, or because they were not on the voters' roll, or because they simply got fed up by what was going on and went away. So the number of votes does not determine the quorum. It's a mistake that my friend, I think it's Dr. Alex Magaisa, is making. And I just urge him to be more responsible and to do more research when it comes to these things. A quorum is determined by the number of people who attend a meeting at the beginning of that meeting and not at the end of that meeting. So you see,